Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm pretty much gonna show you guys what I do when I get unready. So I come home after a long day, I wanna take this makeup off, and these are literally, I think like 4 or 5 steps that I do before I go into the shower. I like to keep it short, sweet, and simple because if it's a long day, I come home late, I still need to do that skincare routine. I do not want to have something that's super long because I know I'm not going to want to do it all. So if you guys are interested to see what I do to take this makeup off, kind of like a little skincare routine, night routine, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the very first step that I do is take my makeup off, and I use these Kirkland makeup wipes. I've been using these for so long. These are the Costco makeup wipes. They are super good. The scent on these are not strong, and I don't know what it is. I've tried so many different makeup wipes and I just have been stuck with these Costco ones, and it's such a good deal. Let me show you guys. You get 180 makeup wipes, and I think it's like $13. Such a good deal. All right, so what I do is just take one makeup wipe. I pretty much just use this makeup wipe and try to get everything off. If I have a lot more makeup on, I might have to use 2, but usually 1 is enough. And now that I have eyelash extensions, I usually use like a makeup remover on a Q-tip, but I don't have that, so I need to go get more. But right now what I'm gonna do is just pretty much just get the makeup wipe, wrap it on my finger, and just try to get as close as I can to where the lash line is. I'm actually gonna put this I'm actually gonna put this headband on because it helps a lot more. I wanna get my hair all wet, even though I'm just gonna go in the shower after this, but it's just easier. Kind of makes my forehead look big, but whatever. All right, so now that the makeup is pretty much off, my eyebrows look crazy. I haven't gotten them done in like a few months because I'm trying to grow them out, because the last time I got them done, the lady made them so thin I wanted to cry. But they're kind of going back, but I feel like they look crazy. All right, so now for my cleanser. My go-to cleanser will always be this Aveeno foaming cleanser. I've tried so many different face washes and I always find myself going back to this one. I just love it because it's super gentle. It's nothing harsh on the skin. I just feel like foaming cleansers, for me at least, do the job, and they're just quick. So I'm just gonna do this right here, kind of like spa style, and just cleanse my face. And when I do this part, I like to avoid the lashes because I want them to last longer. And again, there's like certain lash soap you can use, but I don't have it. And then I go up here on the forehead, basically everywhere but the lashes. All right, so I'm gonna go wash this off and we'll be right back to finish the rest of the face. All right, so now that my face is washed and pretty much fresh, now we have to prep the skin for the next day, for the night, pretty much. So this step I will do if I have time. I usually don't do it every single night because I feel like it might be too harsh on the skin. I don't know, I'm not a skin esthetician, you know, all that. So this is basically what I do, but sometimes I will use some toner, and I'll either use my Thyre's Witch Hazel or my Pixie Vitamin C Tonic toner. I believe this is a toner. Yes, this is a brightening toner. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to get a little cotton pad and pretty much just apply this on the pad and rub it on the face. Again, I don't do this every single night because depending on how tired I am, if I have time, then I will. And then I just like to fan my face. No reason, just like to do it. So now for my favorite part, my moisturizer and my under eye brightening cream. So first I will go in with my Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. You guys know this, I love this stuff. And I pretty much just take it on my index finger and apply that under the eyes. And then whatever I have left over, I'll kind of just take it and put it on my lids. And now for my moisturizer, I like to take my Henriksen Sea Crush Brightening Gel. Again, this is my go-to stuff now after I bought it on the VIB sale. You guys, if you saw my haul, you know that's when I bought it. And I pretty much just put this all over. This really just hydrates my skin, especially like overnight. I wake up and my face is just like super hydrated. And then I like to bring it down the neck. All right, and then I fan myself one more time just to let it all just soak in and dry. And lastly, I will put on some chapstick. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This stuff is freaking bomb. I apply it before I go to bed. I apply it when I'm getting ready. I use it all the time. And it helps from keeping my lips from being crusty. And if I'm feeling extra special or I just want to like jazz it up, you know, I will spray my face with this spray right here. I don't even really know what it does. It just says use daily, all skin types. This is what it says. I got it at the Ipsy event. I don't really know what it does, if it even does anything, if it's just water, but it just feels like a fresh little mist just to have on after I finish my skin routine or my nighttime routine. It doesn't even smell like anything, so I don't really know what I'm supposed to do, but if I just want to like refresh, you know, and my skin is just looking extra glowy right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my nighttime routine, like my get unready with me. It's super quick and easy. I just like to do something really fast because again, if I'm tired, I just want to go to sleep, but I don't want to sleep with my makeup on. So this is what I do to take it off before I go to bed or before I take a shower. If I have makeup on, this is what I do first. Or if I'm gonna wash my face, I obviously wash it in the shower, but yeah. Anyways, that is my nighttime skincare routine, my get unready with me. Yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.